Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to this quick little episode of Will's Builds. What we are doing is we are putting safety wire holes into the header bolts. These are the ARP134-1202. I will put a link in the description for these. And I plan on anti-seizing these bolts. I don't want to ever have to worry about getting them out. So I'm going to safety wire them once they are installed into the head. And to do that, these need to have holes drilled crossways through the head so the safety wire can go through. We're using 32 thousandths safety wire. And then I wasn't really going to make this into a video, but I have a couple of these little aluminum AN wrenches. So I put a hole in the middle of it for the head of the bolt to go in, just like this. It sits in there like that. And then there is a hole crossways that will go down through like that. And then I got these two little socket head bolts that clamps it to the wood. So we have a wide surface to put this clamp on, and away we go. And there you go. There's our ARP exhaust header bolt. Safety wire hole in it. There we go. We just got about 10 more to go. Alright, so I've gone ahead, taken the header off, and chased all the threads. So now we can go ahead and put the gasket in with a couple bolts. See if we can do this. Okay, I'm going to put anti-seize on these, so I got it hanging. Alright, so I got all the bolts torqued down to about 20 foot-pounds, which is probably a little on the lower side of what they need to be at, but that's so they can come out easier, and that's also why we're going to safety wire them. So, we're going to go ahead and we're going to safety wire this one first. There we go, and just like that, we got all three sets of bolts safety wired up, spark plug wires back on, and this thing will be ready to go. So thanks for watching, everybody. We got a lot of stuff coming up with the Miata. School's over, still in quarantine, but we should have plenty of time to work on the Miata. We got cooling system stuff that came in. We've got the subframe that we got to box in, and the engine bay to paint, and then the clutch to put on. And then after that, that'll be the last set of stuff to do before we finish off the drivetrain. So thanks for watching. Until next time, just keep building.